What's the meaning of breakbone fever? Breakbone fever. Breakbone fever.
Breakbone fever. Breakbone fever. Breakbone fever is another name for dengue fever, a viral infection transmitted by mosquitoes. The illness is called breakbone fever because it can cause severe bone and joint pain, as well as other symptoms such as high fever, headache, fatigue, and rash. In rare cases, the disease can progress to dengue hemorrhagic fever, which can be life-threatening. There is no specific treatment for dengue fever, but symptoms can generally be managed with rest, hydration, and pain relievers. Prevention measures include mosquito control and the use of insect repellent.